right away. The journey from Shining Time keeps getting bumpier and bumpier.
Does it? A big woolly diesel is back, Mr. Conductor. You had better be careful.
Sir Topham Hatt warned me about Diesel. Don't worry, Comet. I'll just pop in and out with my sparkle wherever he goes and keep him in order. I hope.
Had a plan. Pinch there, here a pinch there, pinch.